Hello everybody and welcome to a new video. Today we're going to learn how to choose between a private or public account on TikTok. So if I go to my TikTok and tap into profile at the bottom of my screen, I'm going to find the three horizontal lines or the hamburger menu on top of my screen, and I have to go into settings and privacy. The second option, privacy, allows me to get into an option that says private account. So with a private account, only users you approve can follow you and watch your videos. Your existing followers won't be affected. So you just have to activate this option, and now your TikTok is private. Okay? Obviously, you can deactivate your option to switch to public account, switch, and that's it. That's how you can choose between a private or public account on TikTok.